Hey guys, it's the Ryan Storm. I have recently discovered that Freddy video that I made. He's right over here. It's a bare endo of Freddy. This guy made a lot of work in it. This is hilarious. I hope you like HLModTech video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and to see that you like his videos. And Ryan Storm says peace. This is Little Bill and Loaf, and we're gonna show you our Tinkercad house.
Okay, so this is our HLModTech family house. So that's Chris, but he's not here. There's me, and there's Sophie, and then there's our pet pig. Sophie doesn't have anything to share with us. And the PJ.
And the Loaf signing out.
Hi, my name is Christian and I made a Steelers logo, a ghost from Pac-Man, and another ghost, and I also made those two ghosts. That's all. And that's all that I made. And those were the ghosts from.
This game has a rocket ship, and I have level 1 and level 2. So you see, if you hit 1, it says try again. No. Okay. Now it's like that, and then if it's like a while. Yeah.
You can.
Huh?
I get the point.
Yeah.
Out of here today.
Oh my gosh, no, wait. We're driving this awesome car.
Oh yeah, so awesome, right?
It's a junkyard car.
I bet she gonna crash so bad.
Oh.
This is a good video. It learns how to make a card. Ooh, more words. Pictures? Look what I made. I have an idea. Maybe you should like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Happy holidays! Yay!
Guys, it's Modtech, and it's me and Jonathan again. This is the first thing I ever made. I don't know why I made it. It was in like 6th or 7th grade or something, but it's a weird turtle thing, I guess.
I decided to make a firework explosion. Press play.
You zoom in, you can see what's going on.
I want to show that mesh, so I'll show it from far away, but I'm working on a little surprise.
I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and this is my boat. So you have the propeller in the back, the life thing, and then right here is like a flower pot and a little resting area. Back here is the captain's chair, and you'll see more and more get added on to my amazing boat.
I'm Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and I made this new level 3 in Scratch. This says HL. I'm gonna do it for you guys. That's ready. It's a little bit hard, but if you do the math, you can complete this level. You just gotta have skills, and if you do, you can do it. Almost touched it. Oh, I think I got it. And did it. You win. Well, that's my sweet level 3 of the scratch thing. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Brayden, and I made a PC. I put all the keys in order. I used the scribble tool to make a mouse, and then I added the monitor.
Reyli,
Hey, this is Colton.
and today me and him are racing on the junkyard race. So here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I won.
No, you didn't. You lost.
It's me.
No, that's me. What you mean? Going lost.
Are you sure? I want to go backwards.
Wait, what?
Hey guys, it's Alina, and this is my completed gingerbread house. Get a better view at it. Awesome custom designs on the roof and the path, and also our fellow gingerbread man. For the gingerbread house. Peace out.
Finally no snow, so we're back at it trying to drag the woods everywhere we go. Good job, big girl. Yes, how far are you going to take it today? You're not going to let me pass you, are you? Are you slacking? Coming through.